Hello everybody, we're driving to Chelan. So excited. Hiking more.
Day 195, and Thomas and I are driving to Chelan because I'm going to hike the 20-mile stretch that we skipped from Stehekin to Rainy Pass. I'm gonna finish that, and then finish Cascade Locks to Trout Lake, and then I'm gonna be done with Washington.
Yay!
We've got a 2-day window. Tomorrow and the next day that is, there's no rain in the forecast, so
Yay!
we gotta go do it before they shut down the boat and the bus, the shuttle bus for the season. Yay!
I don't see it.
It's in front of the trees, it's like right next to it.
It's a rainbow, but you can't see it.
Sushi and teriyaki for dinner. He's excited. So it's just before 8 o'clock and we've made it to Beebe Park, which is a Chelan County park outside of Chelan. And we pulled up and we're setting up the truck so we can go to sleep. We love having this camper shell and bed set up that Thomas made. It makes it really easy to car camp. So we got our bed set up. I know it's hard to see. And our neighbors asked us if we wanted some wood. We were just gonna go to bed, but now we have a nice fire for the ambiance. So, pretty excited about that. Good night. Good morning. It's day 100 and I don't know. It's day 196, and I'm back on the ferry on Lake Chelan going back to Stehekin. A little bit of traveling today. Back in Stehekin. So the North Cascades and Lake Chelan National Park units, I looked on their website and there's 2 camps that PCT hikers are allowed to use with their PCTA permit. But then I wanted to camp at a different campground tonight, at North Fork Campground. The ranger station is Stehekin. There's info here that I could just fill out a tag and issue myself a permit. Back on the trail at High Bridge. Yay! Temporary bridge. Oh, it's a little nerve-wracking. I like it. I made it to camp. Right behind me here. Got the lovely Bridge Creek flowing strongly in the background. Put in my earplugs tonight. Maybe I won't have to get up and pee so much. Good night. Good morning. It's day 197. I had a poop with a lovely view. It's so quiet. I can hear the creek down below, but no wind, no birds, nothing else. I'm at one of the crossings of Bridge Creek, and I found a wild Thomas, complete with leggings and shorts on. So cute! Highway 20. For some weird reason, a million cars parked along the highway here. I didn't see anybody on the trails. I don't know what's happening. Maybe a wedding or something? So I've made it back to the Rainy Pass, Cutthroat Pass trailhead where Avi and Corinne dropped me and Bobcat off mid-September. So I am back here and I'm really excited. I've hiked 1,956 miles so far, and I have 82 miles left from Cascade Locks to Trout Lake before I hit my 2,000 miles and my goal of finishing Washington and Oregon and Northern California and Southern California. And then all I have left of this is the 615 miles of the Sierra. So I'm feeling really good and also feeling weird and crazy that it's almost done. I have like 5.5 more hiking days left total this year. What? Driving out Highway 20 to the west, and have stopped at Diablo Lake Overlook. Thanks for following. Good night.